On question number 6, we are trying to find the minimum spanning tree for this graph. And because we have 5 vertices, we are going to need 4 edges to make up this minimum spanning tree. So using Kruskal's algorithm, we need to select the edge with the lowest weight, which would be 12 for ED. The next highest weight would be 14 for DC. Now, one thing we need to keep in mind is that as we are selecting edges, we can't create a circuit. So if the next highest edge would create a circuit, then we would have to skip over that edge and not include it, and then move on to the next edge. So the next highest edge is 21, which is AD, and this does not create a circuit, so we are going to include it. And then the next highest edge is AB, which is 22. And again, that does not create a circuit. So these are our 4 edges. And this has a total weight of 69. So that would be our minimum spanning tree.